One herbicide, 50 years, 8 billion kilograms applied globally, 170,000 lawsuits asking, was it safe?
What was sprayed on this crop?
RSK Empire.
Roundup. Launched in 1974, the world's most used herbicide. 750 products today, in hardware stores everywhere. Used in 160 countries, 90% of US corn engineered to resist it. 80% of Americans tested positive. The question before us, did the world's most used herbicide cause cancer? And was that concealed? Both sides. You decide. Seven parts, all verified. Science, courts, and internal documents. Both sides. Equal weight. The investigation begins. Glyphosate blocks one enzyme plants need to survive. Plants cannot produce amino acids. They die. The crop lives.
Plant dies.
1996, Roundup-ready GMO crops, engineered to resist glyphosate directly. Usage rose 15-fold in 10 years. $8.6 billion kilograms applied since 1974. After GMO introduction, 15 times more than before. That number is still growing. When Monsanto's patent expired in 2000, prices dropped. Competitors entered. 750 products appeared. Available worldwide. Cheap. 2.5 million US workers spray it regularly. Their exposure? The central question that 2015 would answer. 2015, Lyon, France. 17 scientists, 11 countries. World Health Organization Cancer Agency. Classification, Group 2A. Probably carcinogenic to humans. Cancer type most linked, non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Evidence, animal studies positive. Human epidemiology, strong. University of Washington, 2019. 41% increased risk.
However, this
alleged.
is alleged and contested by industry.
2020, Washington, D.C., US EPA. Same evidence. Different question. Conclusion. Not likely carcinogenic to humans. Australia, Canada, Germany agreed. Why two agencies?
This is why they disagree.
Two conclusions?
Not a conspiracy.
IARC asks,
Methodology.
can this cause cancer? EPA asks, will it at normal doses? Both methods, scientifically valid. Global response divided. USA, Canada, Australia, still approved. France, Germany, Mexico, restricting. The debate, unresolved in 2026. August 2018, California courtroom. Anonymous school groundskeeper. Non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Jury awarded $289 million. Buyer does not admit liability. By June 2026, 170,000 lawsuits filed, all alleging Roundup caused their cancer. Buyer denies causation. June 2018, Bayer acquired Monsanto, $63 billion, then inherited the litigation. Settlement 2020, $10.9 billion. No admission of liability. February 2026, $7.25 billion more. Proposed settlement. Pending court approval. Total exposure, over $17 billion. 2023. Roundup removed from U.S. residential market. Official buyer reason. Reduced litigation risk. Not safety concerns. Agricultural use.
What did
Still
internal documents
approved.
reveal?
When litigation began, Discovery released internal documents, corporate memos, science communications, the Monsanto Papers, released under court order. Court documents revealed company communicated with scientists during IARC deliberations. Internal name, Operation Transparency. Goal? Counter the WHO findings. Court testimony confirmed company executives reviewed scientific articles without being listed as authors. Papers appeared independent. Plaintiffs alleged they were not. The Guardian published the documents from 2017 to 2019. Monsanto Papers made public worldwide. Litigation accelerated significantly after. Buyer's response. Normal peer review. Safe product. Proper usage. The documents. Part of public record. Both claims verified by courts. The full picture requires honesty. IARC. Probably carcinogenic. EPA. Not likely carcinogenic. Same data, different methodology. Neither wrong by their own standards. The farmer's reality. This product enables food production. No-till farming protects soil health. Without it, yields fall significantly. Both truths exist simultaneously. For concern, IARC, University of Washington. For approval, EPA, EFSA. 5 countries. Same evidence. Legitimate disagreement. Science is not always unanimous.
Carcinogenic based on independent analysis.
Consumer response. Organic market doubled. From 28 to 67 billion in 13 years. The market voting differently, while regulation stays contested. June 2026. Supreme Court hearing arguments. New settlement pending approval. Cases ongoing nationwide. This investigation, not finished. Neither is the science. Regulatory agencies can disagree. Peer-reviewed science can conflict. Approval does not mean zero risk. This is how the system works. What you can do? Read food labels. Research both sides. IARC and EPA databases. Publicly available. Both online. Both free. The systemic lesson. When two agencies reach different conclusions from identical data, that question deserves your attention. Always. $170,000 people believe they were harmed. Whatever courts conclude, their question was legitimate. Their investigation was necessary.
Their question deserves an answer.
Sources: IARC 2015, EPA 2020, University of Washington 2019. Buyer: AG Official Statements. Real Research, Cinematic Truth. RSK Empire. Always verified.